everyone, it's Sam and I'm back to open day number 6 from the Made to Surprise Advent. Halfway through, can you believe? Got a bit of a sad face. Right. There we go. Number 6, and this is number 6, it's not number 9, just in case anybody's unsure. Take the little sticker off there. There you go. Again, another heavy box. So in here we have, yay, we've got some snips. These are lovely, nice and heavy. Well, not too heavy. They've got nice big finger opening bits. I don't know what you call that, but I did test. It was either 4 or 5 samples for the scissors, and these are the ones that I thought were the best. They cut really nicely, but also they don't have the smaller thumb area, which some of the other ones did, and I find that they're the ones that kind of create a bit of pain and sometimes a bit of ache on your thumb. So I hope that those of you that have this, you enjoy these. I'm going to flip the camera around now, and I'm going to actually give you a few hints and tips on fussy cutting. So I know some of you have a love-hate relationship with it, but I need to cut out some of the images from day 1, the stamp set, because I'm going to be using them on a project. So let me show you how to get the best from your snips. So here is a closer look at the scissors. They are beautiful. I've been using these for quite a while now, pretty much since I got the samples through. There's actually been a few times when I've been editing videos and the scissors have been in and I've had to take them out because I know some of you ask about the products I use. So I've already stamped some of the images. I've already cut these ones. I'm using this for another project that I'll be sharing with you soon. And I just thought it'd be a nice way to show you exactly how these work. So they've got 2 equal sized kind of finger thumb sections there. So I've got some scissors where the thumb part's smaller, and over time I've found like I get pain like around like this part. Whereas with these ones, I mean, I've been fussy cutting quite a few bits with them and they've been fine. So in terms of comfort, but I just thought I'd do a few fussy cutting tips and tricks. I've got a video already which does very well, but I thought I'd share it into here. One of my top tips is whatever hand you use to hold the image that you're cutting, that is the hand that you will move. The scissors will actually stay pretty still, apart from you obviously opening and closing them. That's my first tip. The other one is to, when you're cutting, slightly angle the scissors so you can see the cut. Don't cut like this, straight down. Just kind of angle a little bit so you can actually see the shape and what you're cutting around. Now, in terms of borders, it's up to you. I always like a nice white border. And I think for fussy cutting, having a white border is key really, because if you do dip in a little bit, like if I go in a little bit too close there, and maybe I come out a bit wider here, overall, it isn't really going to matter. Whereas if you cut right up to the outline, if you then do go in a little bit, you're cutting into your image, and if you go out a little bit more into the white, then you're going to see white, which you haven't got, on the rest of it. So I do suggest that you have, that white border. So can you see I'm just moving, my left hand is the one that is turning the card and directing really what I'm cutting. All I'm doing with my right hand with the scissors is just lifting them up and down. And I've got my hands rested on the desk. I'm not up like this, I'm quite relaxed. And you can see there how quickly that cut. Another part as well is try and do as much of a cut in one go. So as I'm pushing down, I'm going to get all around there and then lift up, then bring it around. And now I've got that right down into the corner of the scissors. I can hopefully get all the way around in one cut, like so. And then again, butt it down. And all I'm looking at, I'm not actually looking at the scissors cutting, I'm looking at the white border. Again, controlling it with my left hand. If you're left-handed, then it'd be obviously the right hand. Cut away any excess that might get in your way. And it's just take your time. You don't need to rush this at all. Because I know this is a love-hate relationship for a lot of people. But I think once you master it, I actually find fussy cutting very relaxing. I enjoy fussy cutting. So I'm trying to just, share as many tips just to help those that, would like to be able to do it, but have maybe struggled in the past. And then the last one, so again, just trim away. All this kind of excess would just end up getting in your way. I've probably shared more tips in the video, so I will, if I remember, I'll link that in the video, or it'll be certainly below, and go check it out. lots of people have said how it really did help them get much better at fussy cutting. And I honestly think just with the couple of tips that I've just given you in this video now, it will make a big difference. Now I think you'll agree they look like they've been die cut because I've just focused on that white border being pretty consistent, but even if it was, like I said, a little bit thicker in areas, you're not going to notice. But I think if you stick to that outline and cut around that, that's where you'll probably notice the overall finish. So I hope you enjoy day 6 and you get lots of use out of these scissors. They are lovely. Like I said, I did sample quite a few different scissors before I found the ones that I thought you lot would enjoy and that I think are going to last. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.